Good morning to all. Welcome back to our class. In the last class we have seen symmetric transpose of a matrix, symmetric and skew symmetric matrix definitions. In transpose of a matrix properties we have seen, and before that three more questions we saw. Now let us see the theorem on this. For any square matrix capital A with the real number entries, means real numbers, with the real numbers, A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix and A minus A dash is a skew symmetric matrix, right? To make the problem easy, to make the theorem easy, to make the proof easy, in the beginning we are going to consider like this: A plus A dash. This one, after completion of this, that one I will tell. First of all, let us see what is the definition for symmetric matrix. What is symmetric matrix? If A is a square matrix and if A dash equal to A, then that is square matrix. That is symmetric matrix. If A is a square matrix and if A dash equal to A, then A is symmetric matrix. When we can say that A is symmetric matrix? If A dash equal to A. When we can say that capital X is symmetric matrix, we have to find X dash. If the answer is X, then we can say that X is symmetric matrix. When we can say that matrix Y is symmetric matrix, we have to find Y dash. If the answer is Y, then we can say that Y matrix is symmetric matrix. When we can say that Z matrix is symmetric matrix, we have to find Z dash. If the answer is Z, then we can say that Z is symmetric matrix. When we can say that matrix B is symmetric matrix, we have to find B dash. We have to find B dash. If the answer is B, then we can say that B is a symmetric matrix. Right? If B dash equal to B, then we can say that the matrix B is symmetric matrix. Clear? That's why we are finding B dash. Sir, who told that B is a matrix? Then what is B? A is matrix. A dash is also matrix. If you add two matrices, we get another matrix. If we add two matrices, we get another matrix. So B also one matrix. How can we say that B is symmetric? If we can prove this one, then we can say that B is symmetric. B is symmetric. That's why we are finding B dash. B dash means on both sides take whole dash. Then it becomes B dash equal to A plus A dash whole dash. Okay, now B dash equal to A plus A dash whole dash. This is in the form of A plus B whole dash. Property. In the last class we have learned the property. A plus B whole dash equal to A dash plus B dash. A plus B whole dash equal to A dash plus B dash. What is B? A dash. Okay, now I will write in brackets, since X plus Y whole dash equal to X plus Y whole dash equal to X dash plus Y dash. X plus Y whole dash equal to X dash plus Y dash. Okay, clear? A dash means A dash only. A dash whole dash is A. That is also property. A dash whole dash equals to A property. A dash plus A can be written as A plus A dash. Both are same, 2 plus 3 or 3 plus 2. A plus A dash means B. Finally, B dash equal to B. What is B? B means A plus A dash. Therefore, A plus A dash B whole dash equal to B means A plus A dash. Therefore, A plus A dash is symmetric. Symmetric matrix, okay. Right? Next. Let C equal to A minus A dash. Let C equal to A minus A dash. This one also we have to pronounce skew-symmetric. How can we prove that a capital A matrix is skew-symmetric matrix? Means we have to find A dash. If the answer is minus A, then A is skew-symmetric matrix. How can we prove that capital X is skew-symmetric matrix? We have to find X dash. If the answer is minus X, then we can say that X is a skew-symmetric matrix. How can we prove that Y is a skew-symmetric matrix? We have to find Y dash. If the answer is minus Y, then we can say that Y is a skew-symmetric matrix. Z is a skew-symmetric matrix. Z dash equal to minus A. B is a skew-symmetric matrix. B dash equal to minus B. C is a skew-symmetric matrix. If we want to prove, we have to find C dash. Then if the answer is minus C, then we can say that C is a skew-symmetric matrix. We have to find C dash. We have to find C dash. If the answer is minus C, then we can say that C is skew-symmetric matrix. For this we have taken transpose on both the sides. Same like that. For this we have to take transpose on both sides. C dash equal to A minus A dash whole dash. Okay. A minus A dash whole dash. A dash minus A dash whole dash. Here we did A dash plus plus A dash whole dash. Same like that. A dash minus A dash whole dash. A dash means A dash only. A dash whole dash means A. Take minus common. X minus Y. If you take minus common, it becomes minus of Y minus X. Let us check whether it is correct or not. Minus into Y minus Y. Yes. Minus into minus X plus X. Yes. It is here no sign is, it is understood that plus is there. So X minus Y, from X minus Y if you take minus common, it becomes minus of Y minus X. From X minus Y if you take minus common, it becomes Y minus X. Right? Equals to minus A minus A dash means C. So C dash equal to minus C. C dash equal to minus C. What is C? A minus A dash. Therefore, A minus A dash is skew-symmetric matrix. A minus A dash is skew-symmetric matrix, right? There is one more theorem. This theorem is not necessary. The theorem says that any square matrix can be expressed as the sum of symmetric and skew-symmetric matrices. Any square matrix can be expressed as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. Okay, any square matrix capital A is expressed as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. This is the way. This theorem is not that much necessary. Okay, if you take half common, a plus a dash plus a minus a dash plus a dash cancel, half will be there, a plus a to a, 2 cancel, a equals to a. Don't prove like that, just I am telling how can you say that small a equal to that much lengthy part, means like this. Okay, problems are there on this. One problem if I explain, then you can understand the method easily. Now let us see the questions. Find the transpose of the following. First sub question, 5 1 by 2 minus 1. Second sub question, 1 minus 1 2 3. Third sub question, minus 1 5 6, root 3 5 6, 2 3 minus 1, 2 3 minus 1. We have to find the transpose of these. Let capital A equals to 5 1 by 2 minus 1, A dash equal to, this is a 3 by 1 matrix, transpose means 1 by 3 matrix. Reverse. First row becomes first column over first column. Second row becomes second column. How many elements are there in second row? Only one element is there. Second column over. Third row, third column. This is the transpose of the given matrix. Second one, let B equals to 1 minus 1 2 3. Right? This one easy, you can solve. First row becomes first column. First row becomes first column. Second row becomes second column. Third sub question, let C equals to minus 1 5 6, root 3 5 6, 2 3 minus 1. Okay, so C dash equal to, first row becomes first column, second row becomes second column, third row becomes third column. Minus 1 5 6, root 3 5 6, 2 3 minus 1. Right? Second question, if capital A equals to minus 1 2 3 5 7 9 minus 2 1 1, capital B equal to minus 4 1 minus 5 1 2 0 1 3 1. Then verify that. First sub question, A plus B whole dash equals to A dash plus B dash. Second sub question, A minus B whole dash equals to A dash minus B dash. Okay, one question I will do, another question you try. Why? Because sum of two matrices we know, transpose of the matrix also we know. Solution. Given capital A equals to minus 1 2 3 5 7 9 minus 2 1 1. Capital B equal to minus 4 1 minus 5 1 2 0 1 3 1. Therefore A dash equals to first row becomes first column, second row becomes second column, third row becomes third column. Therefore B dash equals to first row becomes a first column, second row becomes a second column, third row becomes third column. Right? Let us find out A plus B. Add both the matrices. You know how to add both the matrices. I am not going to explain again and again and again. Sum of two matrices, addition of two matrices. Minus 1, minus 4, minus 5. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 minus 5, minus 2. 5 plus 1, 6. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 0, 9. Minus 2 plus 1, minus 1. 1 plus 3, 4. 1 plus 1, 2. A plus B. This is A plus B. Find out A plus B whole dash. First row becomes first column. Second row becomes second column. Third row becomes third column. First row becomes first column. Second row becomes second column. Third row becomes third column. A plus B whole dash. Let us find out A dash plus B dash. Add these two also. You get the same answer. Minus 1, minus 4, minus 5. 5 plus 1, 6. Minus 2 plus 1, minus 1. 2 plus 1, 3. 7 plus 2, 9. 1 plus 3, 4. Minus 5 plus 3. 3 minus 5, minus 2. 9, 2. 3, 9, 4, minus 2, 9, 2. 5 minus 5, 6, minus 1. Both are same. Same like that. You try the second sub question. Subtraction, that's it. If A dash equals to 3, 4, minus 1, 2, 0, 1, capital B equals to minus 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, then verify, first sub question. A dash minus B dash. Be careful with this question. Given A dash equal to 3, 4, minus 1, 2, 0, 1. B equals to minus 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. Therefore, A equals to A dash they gave, we have to find A. They gave A dash, we have to find A. First row becomes first column. Second row becomes second column. Third row becomes third column. This one. B dash equals to first row becomes first column. Second row becomes second column. A dash plus B dash, A plus B. When you want to add two matrices, order should be same. When you want to add two matrices, order should be same. Right? From here after you can do, you have to do sum of addition of matrices. First of all, you have to find A plus B, then A plus B whole dash. Next you have to find A dash plus B dash. Tell that both are equal. Right? Homework, this also homework. This one also you can do easily. Subtraction. One is addition, one is subtraction. Yeah. Next, fourth question. If a dash equals to minus 2, 3, 1, 2 and b equals to minus 1, 0, 1, 2, then find a plus 2b whole dash. Then find a plus 2b whole dash. Right? A dash is given. Be very, very, very careful. It is 2 by 2. It is 2 by 2. By mistake, if you ignore this one, then also you get the answer, but that is not correct answer what we are getting here. The answer what we get here, if you ignore this one, what the answer you get there, both are not same, both will be different. But remember, if you ignore this also, you get the answer, that is something else. You don't get at least single mark. Right? So, given a dash equal to minus 2, 3, 1, 2. Immediately find out a. First row becomes first column, second row becomes second column. B equals to minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Therefore, B dash equals to first row becomes first column, second row becomes second column. Okay, now what we have to find? We have to find first of all 2b. B dash is not necessary, I think. Not necessary. They did not ask us to prove like this now. They did not ask us to prove like this. So that's why let us find out 2b directly here. Let us find out 2b directly. It saves time. 2 into minus 1. I will write one more time here. Equals to 2 into this is 0, this is 1. Equals to. Let us multiply with 2. 2 into minus 1, minus 2, 2 into 0, 0, 2 into 1, 2, 2 to the 4. Right? What we have to find? A plus 2b whole dash. Let us find out a plus 2b. What is a? Minus 2, 1, 3, 2. What is 2b? Minus 2, 0, 2, 4. Add both. Minus 2, minus 2. Minus 4. 1 plus 0, 1. Right? 3 plus 2, 5. 2 plus 4, 6. This is a plus 2b. A plus 2b whole dash is the question. First row becomes first column, second row becomes second column. That's it. Here is the question. Question number 5. For the matrices A, B, verify that AB whole dash equals to B dash A dash, where first sub question capital A equals to 1 minus 4, 3, capital B equal to minus 1, 2, 1. Second sub question capital A equal to 0, 1, 2. Capital B equal to 1, 5, 7. Let us solve this. One question I will solve, another question you have to solve. Both are same method. First one I will solve. You try second. Capital A equal to, given capital A equal to 1 minus 4, 3. Therefore A dash equal to, why? Because we want A dash here. A dash equal to, that's it, 1 minus 4, 3. Next B equals to minus 1, 2, 1. Therefore B dash equal to, first row becomes first column. Only one row is there. That's it. Okay. We have to find A into B. Then afterwards transpose of AB. Then we have to find the product of B dash and A dash. First of all, let us find out AB. How to multiply A and B? Did you remember? Minus 1 to 1 equals to, if you want to multiply any two matrices, first of all you have to see the order. What is the order for this first matrix? 3 by 1. What is the order for this matrix? 1 by 3. What is the order for the answer? 3 by 3. These two should be same. Yes, both are same. Number of columns for the first matrix, number of rows for the second matrix, both should be same. Then the order for the answer is 3 by 3. 3 by 3. Okay. 3 by 3 means 3 rows, 3 columns. 3 rows, 3 columns. Okay, now first row, first column. 1 into minus 1 over. First row, only one element. First column, only one element over. That's it. This one, first row, second column. First row, second column, 1 into 2 over. That's it. First row, third column, 1 into 1. Understanding? We have solved this type of question. Same type of question already we solved in the exercise where the multiplication concept we came across. Second row, first column, minus 4 into minus 1. Second row, second column, minus 4 into 2. Second row, third column, minus 4 into 1. Third row, first column, third row, second column, third row, third column. Right? Minus 1, 2, 1, 4, minus 8, minus 4, minus 3, 6, 3. This is our AB. What is AB whole dash? AB whole dash is nothing but transpose of that. First row becomes first column. First row becomes the first column. Second row becomes the second column. Second row becomes second column. Third row becomes third column. First row minus 1 to 1, minus 1 to 1. 4 minus 8 minus 4, 4 minus 8 minus 4. Minus 3, 6, 3, minus 3, 6, 3. This is AB whole dash. Now let us find out B dash, A dash. What is B dash? B dash is here. Minus 1, 2, 1. What is A dash? 1 minus 4, 3. 1 minus 4, 3. Multiply these two. Multiply these two. Same like this. First row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column, like that. Minus 1 into 1. Minus 1 into minus 4. Minus 1 into 3. 2 into 1. 2 into minus 4. 2 into 3. 1 into 1. 1 into minus 4, 1 into 3, right, equals to minus 1, 4, minus 3, 2, minus 8, 6, 1, minus 4, minus 1, 4, minus 3, 2, minus 8, 6, 1, minus 4, 3. Therefore, AB whole dash equals to AB whole dash equal to, remember this is the formula property, AB whole dash equal to B dash A dash is a property, remember that one. AB whole dash equal to B dash into A dash, right. Second sub question you have to solve, same like this, same you have to try. Next one, if first sub question capital A equal to cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha, then verify that A dash A equals to I. Second sub question, capital A equal to sin alpha cos alpha minus cos alpha sin alpha, then verify that A dash A equals to I. Okay, I'll solve first one, you try second. Both are same method. You too can try this one, not difficult, simple. First sub question, given capital A equals to. See, for all these things you should know addition of matrices, product of matrices, scalar multiplication of matrices. Those things, if you are very confident, these are nothing. All these questions you can solve easily. If you don't know those things, it will be very difficult to understand these. Therefore, A dash equal to, what is A dash? First row becomes first column. Second row becomes second column. First row became first column. Second row became second column. Multiply A dash and A. Multiply both the matrices. What is A dash cos alpha? Minus sin alpha cos alpha. A cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. Right? Multiply both. 2 by 2, 2 by 2, if you multiply, answer also 2 by 2 we get. Cos alpha into cos alpha, cos square alpha, minus into minus plus, sin alpha into sin alpha, sin square alpha. Matrix multiplication, if you know confidently, then only you can understand this, otherwise it is not possible. Earlier classes, if you have practiced properly, then this question you can solve on your own. First row, first column over, first row, second column, cos alpha into sin alpha, cos alpha into sin alpha, minus is there, minus, sin alpha into cos alpha, sin alpha into cos alpha or cos alpha into sin alpha, both are same. Next, second row, first column, sin alpha into cos alpha, cos alpha into minus sin alpha, minus sin alpha into cos alpha. Okay na? Cos alpha into sin alpha, otherwise sin alpha into cos alpha, both are same. Second row, second column, sin alpha into sin alpha, sin square alpha, plus cos alpha into cos alpha, cos square alpha. Both got cancelled, both got cancelled. Cos square alpha plus sin square alpha 1, sin square alpha plus cos square alpha 1. This is I. Same like that, second sub question you have to write. Next question, first sub question, show that the matrix capital A equals to 1 minus 1 5 minus 1 2 1 5 1 3 is a symmetric matrix. Second sub question, show that the matrix capital A equals to 0 1 minus 1 minus 1 0 1 1 minus 1 0. Which matrix it is? Skew symmetric matrix. Is a skew symmetric matrix. Is a skew symmetric matrix. Right? I will solve second one. First one is homework. Why? Because first one is A dash equal to A. That's it. If you find the transpose, you will get the answer. But for this, you have to find the transpose. We have to take minus common. Then we get that one. That's why I will solve second question. You try first one afterwards. Second question. Given capital A equal to 0 1 minus 1 minus 1 0 1 1 minus 1 0. Find out A dash, therefore A dash equals to. We have to prove that it is skew symmetric. When can we prove that the given matrix is skew symmetric? If we get A dash equal to minus A, then we can say that it is skew symmetric matrix. A dash equal to minus A. Let us find out transpose of this one. First row becomes first column, second row becomes second column, third row becomes third column. Take minus common. Why we have to take minus common? We have to prove that A dash equal to minus A. Right? So take minus common. 0 minus went out 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus went out 1, 1, minus 1, 0. 0 1 minus 1 0 1 minus 1 minus 1 0 1 minus 1 0 1 1 minus 1 0 is A. Therefore A is skew symmetric matrix. Right? First one you have to do. What is it? Given A equal to, find out A dash equal to A. A dash equal to, same thing will come, equals to A. Therefore A dash equal to A. Therefore it is symmetric matrix. Next one for the matrix. 8th question. For the matrix capital A equals to 1 5 6 7. 1 5 6 7. Verify that. Verify that. First sub question. A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix. A symmetric matrix. Right? A symmetric matrix. Second sub question. A minus A dash is a skew symmetric matrix. A skew symmetric matrix. Given A equal to 1 5 6 7, A dash equal to first row became first column, second row became second column. Let us find out A plus A dash. A plus A dash. What is A? 1 5 6 7. What is A dash? 1 6 5 7. Add both. 1 plus 1 2, 5 plus 6 11, 6 plus 5 11, 7 plus 7 14. How can we prove that A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix? A plus A dash whole dash equal to A plus A dash. If we can prove, then we can say that A plus A dash is symmetric matrix. To avoid confusion, what I am doing, let B equals to A plus A dash equals to B equals to this one. Right? We have to find B dash. If B dash equal to B, then we can say that B is symmetric matrix. If B dash equal to B, then we can say that B is symmetric matrix. First row becomes first column, second row becomes second column. Yeah, it is B itself. B dash means A plus A dash whole dash equals to B. Therefore, B means A plus A dash. Right? Therefore, A plus A dash whole dash equal to A plus A dash. Therefore, A plus A dash is symmetric. Right? Same like that, skew symmetric also. Second sub question, A minus A dash. What is A 1 5 6 7 minus A dash 1 6 5 7? Subtraction 1 minus 1 0, 5 minus 6 minus 1, 6 minus 5 1, 7 minus 7 0. Right? A minus A dash. How can we prove that this matrix is skew symmetric? Let C equals to, let A minus A dash equal to C equals to 0 minus 1 1 0. How can we prove that the matrix C is skew symmetric? We have to find C dash. If the answer is minus C, then we can say that C is skew symmetric matrix. Let us find out C dash. Transpose of the matrix. What is the transpose of this matrix? First row becomes first column, second row becomes second column. Right? Take minus common. Zero minus 1 1 0, 0 minus 1 1 0, 0 minus 1 1 0 means C, 0 minus 1 1 0 means C. C dash equal to minus C. What is C? A minus A dash. C means A minus A dash. C means A minus A dash. To avoid confusion, I will write like this here also. Okay, steps will be good, na? Simple. Instead of writing these many times, this is better. B dash equal to B. Yeah. Is it okay now? B means this one. I found B dash. The answer is B. Therefore, B dash equal to B. A plus A dash whole dash equal to A plus A dash. Symmetry. This is skew symmetry. Nothing wrong if you write like that, but few students will be in confusion. To avoid that one, I have written like that. A minus A dash is skew symmetric matrix. Right? Okay, let us see in the next class. Thank you.